Hello Anderson Park District family and friends. My name is David McDonald. Today we are going to be doing a fun science experiment demonstrating a lemon volcano. What do you need for that? 1 lemon, knife and spoon, a tray, wooden skewer, food coloring dye, baking soda, measuring cup, as well as dish soap, and for some extra fun, lemon juice. Also, one last thing that we always practice at the Park District is safety first. So if I can have those glasses, so put those on and let's get ready to experiment. Step 1 of lemon volcano. Parents, please grab a knife to cut the bottom of the lemon so you have a flat surface to work with, as well as the top of the lemon. For the top of the lemon, you want to cut it like a pumpkin during the Halloween season. Step 2, parent or child, grab spoon to carve out lemon. Alright, put spoon down. And moving on to step 3, this is where you're going to add your food coloring dye. So you can do green, blue, red, yellow, whatever you want. And you're going to add about 4 to 5 droplets. Next step, mix this up a little bit with the wooden skewer. After that, you will add a little dish soap for some extra fun of bubbles. From there, the next step in the process is to add your baking soda. 1/3 cup, you can do less, you can do more. After adding the baking soda, grab your skewer and mix up the baking soda with the lemon. As you can see, we currently have a reaction happening. Can any of you tell us why this is happening? You can continue to use the wooden skewer to mix up the mixture of the baking soda and lemon. For some extra fun, grab your lemon juice and let's see what happens next. Let's add a little more. As you can see, the extra lemon juice, which is very citrus, reacts with the baking soda to have a chemical reaction. Thank you for watching my demonstration of the lemon volcano. And remember, you can do this at home too.